Guys, what's up? Back with another weekly vlog, and yeah, this week I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm working tomorrow for sure. And today is kind of like a chilled editing day, so I was just editing a Instagram video. Also, yeah, I just had my shower, so please just ignore. Never mind, I got a package, so we're gonna open that right now. Oh, okay. There were like two small boxes on top of each other to make like a one big box. Nice. Then we have this. I think it's a cage. Finally, such a cute cage. Obviously, I'm gonna use this for later. Sure, Happy Women's Day. Oh, it's for the Women's Day. It's on the 8th, right? There's still time, but this came in early. There are some chocolates inside. And then, whoa, okay, another pack of fairy lights. Like, I literally had to purchase just one fairy lights, and now I have like 1, 2, 3. So it's their rose gold oil, and I already have like 2 packets of this. So I'm gonna keep this aside just in case if I decide to do a small giveaway on my Instagram, which I'm planning to soon. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And then it's their charcoal star night potion with white gold dust. This is new, I think. So it's a oil or potion to apply at night. Beauty was such a nice company, honestly. I love working with them.
Tomorrow.
What's up, you guys? It's a shoot day and my energy is not this high. I just got done shooting the video and realized my mic was off. So I had to shoot it again. And it was done quicker, but I'm not really like, the first time is always the best, I feel, because that's like what you exactly want to like do and say. But the second time it's kind of like oh, I had to say this, and you just kind of like, it's just weird. Anyway, I just don't need to explain. I am done shooting twice for this haul. Now I'll just go ahead and try this out, but first I'm like super hungry, so I'll eat first. I'll just pump up the music, be all fancy, just dance, try things out, and have a good time. Like, I like trying things on because I don't have to talk there. Yeah, so basically that. But I'm hungry now, so I don't know what to eat. Maggie? Okay guys, finally I'm done with everything and it's 7:15. I just wanted to show you the mess after shooting. Like, I don't think you can see. Oh yeah, you can see. Plastic from the packaging every freaking way. Also, my house is a mess, so please don't mind that. Also guys, I just wanted to like let you know it's a kind of DIY because this bracket was broken because of me. Like, silly mistake. I was just trying to tight it even more and it just cracked, and I was afraid it will just fall. It still has a crack, but I secured it with like why am I so bad with names? What is that called? Fevikwik. And then added like duct tape all over it, so it's hopefully working, but it's not like long lasting, so I don't know. I'll have to like find a solution for that, but I don't think I can just get the bracket on its own, so I'll have to get an entire light, and it's freaking 8,000. So now I'll just go ahead and pack everything, keep it in place, and then just chill and relax and do nothing at all. I'm so tired and out of breath also, but I'm so glad we did it on time. That's more important. So yeah. Also, I'm so sorry. I'm just looking at the. I'm just God, so sorry about that. It must be so cringy. I'll cringe while editing this as well. So yeah. Anyway,
1 week later.
what's up, you guys? So it's Sunday today, and we're gonna have a very self-care, skincare kind of Sunday because I'm like I have something coming up here, and it's just hurting me so bad. Like I hardly get acne. So firstly, I have cold, just runny nose and everything, sneezing a lot. It's because of my allergies and not COVID-19. So don't worry, corona nahi hua hai meko because मैं घर पे ही रही हूँ यार पूरा week. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take steam first. Then I was planning to use the Miniso nose pore strips. Not that I have acne, sorry, my mind is stuck there. Blackheads, I scrub like regularly, so I don't think I have it, but just in case if we do, we'll know. And I just really wanted to try it out, so we're gonna use that, and then later on we're gonna use the tea tree face mask. Anyway, first I'll just steam my face. I have cleansed my face with a gentle cleanser, and now I'll just steam it. Then I'll apply this, then this, and I usually apply sheet mask at night before sleeping because then you know the serum is there on your face throughout the night. But then since I woke up with this thingy on my forehead, I'm just worried a little. So I'm gonna steam my face for 10 minutes max, and then we'll go ahead and do this. Okay guys, so the steaming is done. You can see the glow on my freaking face. Oi, shit, put gaya. Okay, great. Anyway, so here's the strip. After washing your face, slowly wet your nose. First, I'll just go ahead and wet my nose again. कभी भी pore strips या कुछ कर रहे हो ना, steaming actually helps a lot because it just opens up your pores. Okay, so first we'll just peel off the plastic liner. If this is ready to peel off. Okay, yeah, it is. And then we'll just apply it to the nose. Ouch, it's so tight. In summer season, you have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and 5 to 10 in other seasons, slowly peel off. I think I'll wait for like 10 minutes and then just rip this off. Time to remove this. I'm just gonna... freak. Let me just do it in one go so it's less painful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't. Wow. Oh my freaking. Oh shit. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. I can just see some white heads here, that's all. Dude, my nose feels so tight right now. It makes your nose very chip-chipu. But did this do the job? No, like, I'm not satisfied with this. I remember one nose strip my friend got. She got from a local medical store, and that's for like 20 rupees for one pack. And that actually removed so much dirt. I'll try to get the name and let you guys in my next vlog or so. Anyway, now we'll just go ahead and put on the face mask. Oops. Serum. Personally, I'm not a fan of sheet mask because I've heard they are not good for the environment. So yeah, also I'm gonna sneeze a lot after applying this because of the fragrance and the coolness that it will provide. Okay, it's done now. Let's just go ahead and apply. Oh, so cooling. Oh, freak, man. Ew! Oh, it just went inside my mouth. Let me just do this in the mirror. Also, I'm talking so weirdly right now because it's going inside my mouth. Like, everything is so tiny. The mouth hole, the eye hole. I'm gonna keep this on for 20 minutes. And then we'll see how bright and glowing my skin is. So guys, 27 minutes are done. Almost 30 minutes. Now we'll just go ahead and remove this. The most satisfying part ever. So this is done. Now I'll just take this and like just rub it on the elbows, knees. So this is one major reason why I apply face mask at night, because you can see how much serum is actually in here. So now what I'll do is just massage my face with this facial massager that I got from Maniso again. Like, is this turning into like a skincare routine? Like, I don't do this regularly, so it's not a routine, but just once in a week or so when I feel like I want to pamper myself. Oh my god, that hurts. My maid decided to not come. So it's gonna be my mom mostly, but like me also, cooking dinner tonight. So we are gonna make pizza at home. I think I have shared the recipe earlier also, but I keep getting questions every now and then. How do you make it? Please just share the recipe. So here it is. It's very simple. We just get like a ready-made base. This is from Modern. You also get like a whole wheat base, and then there's also like the normal one. For sauce, I use this. For the veggies, like the toppings, we have like this red chili. That's just for me. Then we have colorful capsicums, bell pepper, basil. I think without this, the pizza is incomplete for me. This and this, both. And then some corn. I don't really like that, but anyway. And onions and a lot of cheese. So this is the Amul pizza cheese. I forgot to end the vlog. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching this, guys. Update on the pimple, it's still there. I think it's gonna be there for like 2-3 days, and then it will go away on its own. We'll see. But also, so sorry for not vlogging in the middle. I was just like, yeah, motivation की कमी हो रही थी. But after uploading my last video, I am feeling very motivated and pumped to make more content for you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to like give you a big virtual hug and just thank you for the support that you guys have always shown. I totally don't feel like I deserve it, but yeah, I'm just super happy about it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like watching my vlogs. This is the least that you can do. हमेशा vlog देखने के बाद thumbs up button दबा दो, खत्म. Also, subscribe नहीं किया है, so please कर लो. It's free. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.